Good afternoon. I wanted to give a brief video testimonial for Yes Solar Solutions. Yes Solar installed a 37 panel array on my home in South Raleigh. Dan Glick was the initial salesperson who reached out to me, and just had a great experience with him, walking me through it. We looked at several different proposals based on my needs, based on um, really what I wanted to meet my goals. And there were several different times where he had to go back and redo that. And I greatly appreciate, the time and energy that he put into that. Could not be more satisfied with, everything from the initial sales, from talking to him, and then eventually, working with other members of the team, getting everything certified through Duke. Uh, just because from the utility standpoint, they had to also do their historical check. And then when it was game time or install day, the teams were great. They came out, they did exactly what they had said they were going to do. Were very efficient. They cleaned up after themselves. The project looked beautiful upon completion, and they helped me get everything set up, all the software, everything I needed on my phone in order to track the production. And since that time, my system has actually been overproducing from what the estimates were. So of course, I'm excited about that. It's greatly reduced my bill. In fact, it has negated my bill during some of the months, because during the summertime, the peak demand is in the evening from 4 to 6, and we're still producing electricity with the sun being up during those times. So really great experience with Yes Solar, and could not be more satisfied. Thanks.